Today I'm going to make split moong dal in instant pot and top it with a nice mixture of onions and spices. For this dal, we first soak moong dal for about 30 minutes to 2 hours. Then I'm going to put this rinsed moong dal in instant pot. I have 1 cup of dal, 1 cup of onions, you can slice them or chop them, 1 cup of tomatoes, roughly chopped, some spices. We have turmeric powder and paprika or red chili powder if you like your dal hot. And I'm going to season it with salt, about a teaspoon of salt. Add 3 cups of water. I have 1 cup of dal. To that I will add 3 cups of water. Give it a good mix and then seal my instant pot. And I will cook it on high pressure for about 15 minutes. And once the timer is done, I will let it sit for about 15-20 minutes. Let the pressure release naturally. That'll make sure dal is completely cooked. And it does look cooked. Tomatoes are soft and I'm going to crush these tomatoes with the back of a spoon. Dal is done, but I think it's a little too thick for me, so I am going to add another cup of water. If you like your dal thick, then you can just leave it as it is. In our family, we always eat dal with rice, so it has to be a little bit thinner. So here my dal is ready. Now we get ready for the star of the dish, which is tadka. So I'm going to use all these different spices and onions and garlic to make tadka. I have 2 tablespoons of hot oil. I added cumin seeds, mustard seeds, my curry leaves, and 2 chili peppers. You can also use green chilies. Fry them till they are a little fragrant. Add a cup of sliced onion. I slice them thinly. Add 6 cloves of garlic slices and fry this till onions are nicely caramelized. This takes me about 5 minutes on medium heat. And this is what it looks like in 5 minutes. And that's it. I'm just going to pour this mixture over dal and serve it hot. This is our comfort food in our family. We love dal with plain basmati rice. And always serve it hot. Full recipe on my website, yogchakra.com.